Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a little tips and tricks video for anyone that is on Windows 10 and started using Microsoft Edge browser. If you come from another browser, whatever it is, Firefox, Chrome, and so on, remember that you can actually import your all of your settings and your favorites or bookmarks from other browsers easily. All you have to do is go into Edge. On the upper right, just click the little three dots for a menu. Go into Settings, and there, if you look in Settings, you'll see Import from another browser. By clicking this, you'll be able to import from Internet Explorer, from Chrome, or if you don't have your browser available, what you can do is export your favorites or your bookmarks to a file. Every browser lets you do that. And then you can actually import from file, meaning that you can basically import from almost any browser you wish in Microsoft Edge. So this was a little tips and tricks video. It's easy, and it imports everything, not just your bookmarks, but also it will import your settings. So for example, if you have passwords that were saved in the browser, if you have different settings for different websites, and different ways of doing things and search, well, all of that is imported within, not just only the bookmarks. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our video.